Ndewo ndị ọma m, aha m bụ Chika, abụ m onye nkụzi Igbo. Hello my good people, my name is Chika and I am an Igbo tutor. Welcome to today's video, and in today's video we'll be looking at polite expressions. Polite expression. But before we dive right into it, let's know what polite expression is. Polite expressions are words or phrases we use to show good manners or respect when speaking with someone. Today we are going to be saying simple polite expression words in Igbo language. Number one on our list is biko. Biko. And biko means please. The next one is dalu. Dalu. And dalu means thank you. The next is ndo. Ndo. Ndo means sorry. We also have odimma. Odimma. Odimma means it's fine or that's fine. We also have kemecha. Kemecha. Kemecha means see you later. And that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.